So, what's up mga amigo? Another day, another job na naman.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
So, ayun guys, for today's video, magre-recondition tayo ng
Turuan ako ni boss ko ang kwarto. Oy, boss ko.
magre-condition tayo ng overboard valve ng freshwater generator. Ayan. Overboard valve niya. So, anong tawag dito sa valve na to?
Asal ko pa alam, sir. Nakatry yung turo sa akin, sir. Sir.
Yari tayo dyan. So, ayun. Bali, re-recondition namin dahil medyo maganit yung valve. So, mamaya na yung explanation kung bakit. So, let's go.
Thank you, Holy Spirit. Let's go. Sold out faith, prayed every day. I got your word like a lamp to my way. I pick up my cross, I carry the weight. I'm killing my flesh, I die every day. My garment washed white, redeemed by the blood. I clean up through Christ, he flooded with love.
Bakit daw siya tumigas?
Ayon sa soul brain skilling. Yung shock tsaka set. Ginawa natin ng paraan para mabilis yung paglambot. Ginawa namin yung head shock. Nakita namin siya ng gun heater. Huwag kayo ng palo ng pagkapalo ng matrilyo kasi sira yung follower. Kaya nakita na heat gun. Yun, malambot siya. Sinabot ng jowa mo.
So, ayun guys.
Again, they watching the fruit cause I'm setting the trend. I pray in the cut with the ghost that I'm gone. I came by myself.